data protection techniques, ensuring security, privacy, and compliance. In today's agenda, we will be discussing about importance of data privacy, data masking, access control, and encryption. So what is legal and ethical reasons for protecting data? Legal reasons. Governments around the world enforce strict laws and regulations to protect individuals' personal and sensitive data. Violating these laws can result in fines, lawsuits, and damage to a company's reputation. So when we talk about protecting data, it's not just about being careful. It's actually a legal requirement. Governments have put laws in place like GDPR in Europe or HIPAA in the US to make sure companies handle people's personal info properly. That means things like getting consent, keeping data secure, and being clear about its use. If a company messes this up, they could face big fines, legal action, or even lose trust of their customers. And once this trust is gone, really hard to get back. So following these laws isn't just about avoiding penalties, it's about doing the right thing and keeping your business credible.
Good evening. I will be explaining of the data privacy law. Example of data privacy law. First of our example is the GDPR or the General Data Protection Regulation. It is a European law that has set up strict guidelines. It also requires companies to get consent before collecting personal data. It also gives individual the right to be forgotten. Next to our example is the CCPA or California Consumer Privacy Act. In United States, it is enhanced data protection and consumer privacy. It also gives consumer the rights to know what personal data is collected and requested in deletion. Next in our example is the Data Privacy Act of 2012 in the Philippines, and it will ensure personal data is handled securely and only for legitimate purposes. Our next topic is the ethical reasons. Organizations have a moral responsibility to protect their users and employees' data. Ethical reason is it is encompass principle and value that guides responsible and respectful conduct within online communities. And failure to do so can lead to identity theft and discrimination or loss of trust.
Data masking. Data masking is a process of hiding original sensitive data by replacing it with a realistic but fake data. It allows system to function properly without exposing real data.
Why use data masking? Prevent data leaks when working in unsecure environment like development or testing. Protect data during outsourced operation or internal training. Real-world use cases. Testing environment. Developers and testers work with mass customer data to avoid security risk. Training scenarios. New employees practice using software system with dummy data. Analytics and report. Analysis use mass data for reports without exposing confidential records. Example of data masking.
Access control. What is access control? Access control refers to techniques used to restrict or allow access to data or systems, ensuring that only authorized users can access specific information or perform certain access. Role-based access control or RBAC. RBAC assigns to permissions to roles, and users are given roles based on their responsibilities. Instead of assigning permission directly to users, they're assigned to roles like admin, manager, or staff. Benefits of RBAC. Scalable, easy to manage when users join, leave, or change roles. Secure, reduces human error by avoiding individual permission setups.
So, least privilege principle. The principle of least privilege means giving user only the access they need to perform their job, nothing more. Real-world example. A receptionist should only have access to the appointment schedule, not patients' full medical records. So the benefits is limits damage in case of account compromise, encourage better security, hygiene, and reduce insider threats. Next is encryption. What is encryption? Encryption is a method of securing data by transforming it into unreadable code. Only someone with the right decryption key can turn it back into readable data. So, symmetric encryption is a method of encrypting and decrypting data using the same secret key for both processes. This makes it a fast and efficient way to secure large amounts of data. And last is asymmetric encryption, also known as public key cryptography, is a method encrypting and decrypting data using two mathematically related keys, a public key and a private key.